How to make money on Poshmark. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's guide video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can make money on Poshmark, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to make money on Poshmark, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all launch your browser. Go to poshmark.com. Poshmark is usually used by individuals who wants to buy and sell products, and if you want to make money on Poshmark, you have to sell your products, right? You either have a shop or maybe sell your products, because all you have to do is just tap the sell button here. Make sure to enter the listing over here. Once you make sure to enter your listing, you should be able to see your earnings, create a listing for your product, and then sell them in mass quantities in order to get more profits on Poshmark. This is the way to go about it. If you'd like to view all of your earnings, then you can just tap the profile icon from here. You can go to your offers, your campaigns, or whatever else you have, and even your sales that you could see over here. When you go to your sales, you should be able to see a list of all your sales. This is how you can make money on Poshmark, that is by selling the products. So I hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.